have a shoot with Uno, so that's also so exciting. And I was like, whoa, let's get like candies. Our flight tickets from LA to Vegas have gotten cancelled. The interesting thing about being a full-time creator is that some days look really empty and you're like, what the hell am I doing with my life? This is not even like a real career option. And then some days look really busy. Like yesterday was my birthday party and oh my god guys, it was insane. Like I had everyone do like a relay trivia, but I'll get into that later. And everyone left my house at like 2 a.m. I slept at 2:30. It's 9 a.m. now. I woke up an hour ago. I'm so tired. I have fully packed a whole suitcase because I'm headed to the office, the monkey office. Because we have a shoot with Uno, so that's also so exciting, but I'm also so tired that I'm like... And tonight we're going to America for Coachella. But it's looking like it's gonna be a hectic day because I haven't even packed. And some flight of mine and night has gotten cancelled or delayed. So I'm just gonna take you guys through my day, no matter how chaotic. Good chance I'm about to forget to vlog in between, but you know what? We're gonna try.
What's up, guys?
This is Chaitral.
Hello.
Chaitral is a very old manager. She's a very old friend, but yes, a new manager. You say new as if we've just gotten. I've known Chaitral for many years now.
That's true. That's true.
We've reached the office. This is the setup. It's very dirty, so
We're
gonna change that.
We can't lie on that floor.
Chaitral's the bigger diva than me at this point.
She's like, no, you're playing. No, you're cute.
Guys, at Monkey, they basically do...
Yeah. Monkey Premier Leagues. We're gonna play cricket. This is my jersey. We have like a lot of teams.
Guys, I think Chaitral should quit being my manager, and I mean this in a good way, and become a creative director because the vision she has envisioned for this set is crazy. Yeah, yesterday we were talking about, she was like, let's get like candies. And I was like, yeah. Oh wait, Chaitral, we also have to blanket earphones because I think earphones look very
I have
cute.
AirPods.
AirPods even I have, but those don't look as good. This is the first fit. I think it's cute, chic and comfy.
It's always a game night.
It's always... Oh, that's actually cute because I just did a game night for my birthday yesterday. I love games and I really like Uno.
Oh my god, yes. How was your birthday?
Bro, it was too good and it was so chaotic. So essentially what it was is I made teams, and I always do this. Like I never put the people who know each other in the same teams. Like I always make my friends be in different teams so that they get to know my other friends. And then after that, so I put them all in teams, and then I was like, there'll be 5 categories, okay? Big brains, Bandra Born, body babes, body babies, and what was the last one? And best bestie. So based on that, you can understand what the questions are going to be about. So in the start, only I gave them sheets, and I was like, put in 2 players from your team for each category. Okay. And now obviously they'll put like the one who'll fit this, like they'll put the smartest person for the first one in big brains, and then someone else who's still smart but not as smart. Yeah. And as soon as they gave those names, I was like, okay, now that I made them write it down and submitted me, and I was like, now that you've submitted your names, the plot twist is that the first name you put cannot participate. What they have to do is they have to correct the trivias of other team members, and everyone was like, whoa. If their answers were not correct, they had to go back to their team. Then their whole team could have. They had to go back to their team, get all the answers corrected, and then come and take the next quiz. So the first person to finish all the quizzes, obviously the first team won. And then in the third round, because it was body, that wasn't a quiz. So the second quiz was Bandra Born, right? So they had to answer questions about Bandra. The people who answered the questions about Bandra then gave their answer sheets to the other people, and then the body people had to choose any 3 places, go to those places, take pictures. Any 3 places, take pictures, come back, show me, and only then they got the next sheet. Insane. The look is looking. Now we are about to make the set. The BDS.
Hey! Oh my god, everything looks so cute. Tanisha, I think there's something on your face, huh?
What?
Something. Beauty.
Oh! guys, one of our last shots is wait 1 second.
I'm so excited.
Is Chaitral gonna? What are you gonna do, Chaitral?
I'm gonna do this party popper thing.
On me.
Yes. I'm so excited. The only thing I'm the most excited about. No, I'm kidding.
Guys, we wrapped up our shoot.
Yup.
Finally.
We did it. It was so much fun.
At 2 p.m.
At 2 p.m. Yeah.
we are eating dal makhani and rice. And
this one, I think it's paneer roll.
paneer roll. And then
They've given mint chutney, which is also amazing.
I need to go home, and Chaitral has given me more work to do. I picked up my matcha and now I'm on my way home. I knew this would happen. I knew that I would forget to vlog because of how hectic things are, and this is literally the state of my room. My mother has had to come to help me. So yeah, now I'm currently packing and I'm only gonna continue when I'm done because I'm too stressed. I said I wouldn't vlog until I'm done stressing, and I finally reached the airport, finished check-in and everything. And I'm still not done stressing because Anayata and I are sitting and booking everything right now. We've just booked our stay. We are leaving right now.
We've only booked one half of the stay, by the way.
Yeah, the second half of our stay, we still need to book our flight tickets from LA to Vegas.
Our flight got
cancelled. And we've got stay in. Is it refundable, our stay? Remember, they won't take money until a certain day.
Until the 8th. No, the 7th, no, today.
No, babe, now it's the 8th. It's 12:20 a.m. Cooked.
Oh my god.
We have landed in the Hong Kong, and we're in a bit of a panic mode because now we can't find our gate. Like, they're not putting it on that board. But I've got fruits, like a healthy girl. So I'm gonna eat my fruits and just wait like a good girl. And Anayata is also sitting and waiting like a good girl.
I think I'm just gonna get some food.
Anayata has nicely not shopped like a good girl. We've gone to 3-4 different stores and I've told Anayata, don't buy it. Don't buy it. Condiments.
Yeah, I got like a bunch. So I was like, we'll nicely have. Because she says it's spicy. Come on.
Let's try. Let's do a taste test. That's really good.
Quite nice. I'd like them to be a little more spicy.
Cooked. Also a little more cooked.
No, I love it.
You ready? I mean, maybe not cooked. I think it's a little dry.
Huh.
I like a bit more
Gravy. I actually like the...
gravy.
It's light.
It's light. That's good, and it's like breakfast time. It's what? It's 11:45 here, which means it's 9:45 in Bombay. I'm assuming.